Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Dear viewers and listeners, Assalamu alaikum. Imam Ali ibn Musa al-Raza, the eighth Imam in Islam, was born in Medina in 765 of the Gregorian calendar. He was the son of Imam Musa al-Kazim and the grandson of Imam Jafar al-Sadiq, peace be upon them. Imam Raza's era of imamate began in 799 of the Gregorian calendar, when he was 34 or 35 years old, and he held this position for approximately 20 years. He is highly revered for his vast knowledge, piety, and the many miracles attributed to him, including knowing the unknown, future, healing, and the ability to travel virtually. During his imamate, he lived under the reign of the Abbasid caliphs Harun al-Rashid, Amin, and Mamun. May Allah curse them all. He is widely known for his wise counsel and his ability to navigate difficult political situations. Dear viewers, we commemorate to you on this auspicious event of his birth anniversary and are presenting to you some of the numerous miracles ascribed to his divine entity. Ali bin Muhammad Kasani states that a companion told me that once a lot of wealth was presented to Imam Ali Raza, peace be upon him. But I saw that he was not particularly happy on seeing this wealth. I felt sorry for his behavior and I thought, you, peace be upon him, are a strange person. Even after receiving so much wealth, you are not happy at all. He, peace be upon him, sat on the chair and called his slave and said, bring water and a bowl and pour water on my hands. The slave started pouring water and gold started flowing from his fingers instead of water. Then he, peace be upon him, looked at me and said, whoever has gold flowing from his fingers, how can he care about this wealth of yours? Dear viewers, this incident not only shows us this miracle of his divine personality, but also how he was able to know the person's feeling and his thoughts. At another place, Umara bin Zaid narrates that I requested Imam Ali Raza, peace be upon him, to help a poor person. He, on that, gave me a bundle of straw and said, deliver it to his door. Considering it was the Imam's order, I felt ashamed to return the straws, but I picked up the bundle of straws and took it to the person's door and said, Imam Ali Raza, peace be upon him, has given you this gift. The person opened the sack in front of me and instead of straw, there were dinars in it, which not only made that person rich, but also many of his descendants. Then the next day, I came to the service of Imam Ali Raza, peace be upon him, and I said to him, O Master, the straw you gave me yesterday has turned into dinars. He, peace be upon him, said, that is why we sent you. Dear viewers, these miracles have been referenced from the books Al-Kafi, Asbatul Hidayah, and Dalailul Imama. Viewers, there are numerous miracles of Imam Raza, peace be upon him, which are beyond human perspective and understanding. Imam Raza, peace be upon him, was not only the Imam of humans, but also the Imam of animals, birds, and jinn. In their difficult times, not only humans, but also animals would seek solutions to their problems from the Imam, because he was the Imam of his age. And it was a common practice to predict the future, to call a deer to him, speaking to birds and animals in their language, and for jinn to come to the Imam and ask for solutions to their problems. While not explicitly stated in religious texts as a specific miracle, the presence of birds and their perceived connection to Imam Raza, peace be upon him, is often seen as a manifestation of his blessings and connection with the natural world. So viewers, this was our today's video. If you liked our video, do share it with your family and friends and let others know about the divine personality of Imam Raza, peace be upon him. May Allah be pleased with you, respect your elders and be kind and gentle to your loved ones. Spread ease among Allah's creations for His contentment with you. Till next time, Allah Hafiz.